Frank here with Pride Marine. I want to take some time to go over why the SPX 210 is the right boat for you. Three main things I want to cover. Start with the first one. If it's your first boat, fifth boat, first Sea Ray, fifth Sea Ray, the boat does it all. Whether you're hosting in the morning, tubing, wakeboarding in the afternoon, and then cruising at night. You get a boat with a brand you can trust and something that can go out all day, every day, with the friends, family, your wife, anything. Now with Sea Ray, you're getting your trusted styling, performance, and overall comfort. This model here is equipped with the upgraded 4.5 liter 250 horse motor. Standard is 200 horse. The boat features an 8.6 beam, which is great compared to some of its competitors, making the cockpit feel extra spacious and being extremely comfortable when you're out on the water in any sort of chop. Being the owner of this Sea Ray, you can effortlessly host all your friends, family, and guests with a captain's chair that swivels around, letting you be part of the conversation with everyone aboard. So on this boat as well, you're going to have your entertainment package. So that's going to include the signature sound system, which includes an amplifier and also a 10-inch subwoofer with your Bluetooth Fusion deck right here. On this boat, the passenger is also going to be able to have a flippable seat so you can face the fore or the aft of the boat, so that at any time you get all the comfort and experience you want on the boat that you want. Thanks for joining me on this new SPX 210. Come visit us at your closest Pride Marine location, or check us out online at pridemarinegroup.com, and you can see for yourself why this boat's the right one for you.